up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Nightwing. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page with the bottom edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. We start over on the left side. I'm going to draw a curve that goes up, and then we'll bend that out towards the left. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Going up and bending that out. Let's go back to the inside and curl up the brow. Coming in and then up. And then we'll tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the outside, we'll step in, curve the eye, coming down, and just bend that up towards the inside of the brow. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw on the nose. We'll start over on the left, curve the nose, coming down, and then up. Now let's move up and draw a short curve, going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Now we move down and draw on the mouth. Let's start on the left, curve the mouth coming down and then up. And then from the ends, we're going to curve this out and then down towards the corners of the mouth. Let's connect the ends with a curve going up the middle and then back down. Now on the ends, draw two straight lines coming down and we'll fill the corners in black. Let's go back to the center. Step down, draw a short line going across the lower lip. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out, curve the head coming down. Just pull that in underneath the mouth. Round out the chin, go out, and then up on the right. Now from here, we're going to draw the bottom edge of the mask. Let's start in the center of the nose, start with a point. The angle is up and out towards the left, aiming towards the eye, and go up towards the right. Now from here, we're going to angle this down toward the cheeks, curve this out, and then up around the eyes. Let's add a point. I'm going to come down and then in. And we'll bend this back out and up towards the side of the head. Now let's go back over towards the left side and draw the edge of the hairline. We're going to go up and bend that in, and we'll pull this straight up towards the top. Now I'm going to brush the hair over towards the right. So let's start up here. Just going to add a strand coming across and then down. Let's pull this back up and out. Now on the side, I'm just going to sweep the hair coming down and across the side of the head. Let's go back and draw the top of the mask, starting right in the center. Start with a point, come down towards the left and right side. We'll curve this up around the eye and out. We'll tuck the right side in behind the hair. Let's add a point on the left side, going up and in, and bend this out and then down towards the side of the head. Now to place the ears on the side of the head, let's start on the left, go up, round up the ear, and just pull that in toward the side. Now let's line up the bottom over on the right. We're just going to tuck this out and up underneath the hair. Let's add a fold inside the ear, curving this up and out. Let's go to the top of the left ear and draw the side of the head. I'm going to bend this out and then bend that back in. Let's add a point to hair going up and out towards the left. Taper that back in. And add another point going over towards the right. Going up and across. And we'll bend that back down. Let's go back over towards the right side. We're going to add a fold coming in and then up. And then going back over toward the left, and draw the top of the head going up. Now bend that down, I'm going to add a point on the end. Taper that back in. Now let's close off the side. And go out, come down towards the bottom. I'm just going to bend that out. Let's add some hair in behind the head. We're going to start underneath the earlobe, put this down and out on both sides. taper that back in. Now we're going to do that one more time. Move down and out. And we'll pull that back in underneath the head. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Let's move over towards the right, and do the same thing. From the hips, we'll move to the center, step down, add a curve, going up, and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out, and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up. And then from the outside of the foot, we're going to go up. Let's bend the foot coming down, aiming towards the heel. Want to leave a gap on the inside. Now let's go back up to the hips and draw the side of the leg. Starting on the left, bend this out, and then down on top of the foot. And add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. Let's take this curve and step up and just trace that across. And then we'll add that thick band across the legs, starting from the outside, bend this down and then up. Let's move down and draw that again. Now let's move back up and draw the arm stretched out towards the side. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the head, bend the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to wrap the hands around the baton. So let's start with the thumb. From the wrist, we're going to go up, then the thumb coming down. Let's round up the tip of the thumb and pull that back up. Let's draw the inside edge of the palm with a curve, coming down and in. Now we're going to wrap 3 fingers around the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, start with a half oval, going out and then in. Step down, draw that again, tuck that up underneath the thumb, and then we'll do that one more time. Now let's do the exact same thing over on the right. Now you want to place the baton in behind the hands. Let's start on top of the thumb. We're just going to angle this up and out. Let's go to the right and do the same thing, going up towards the same height. Now I'm going to round out the top, going up and then down towards the outside. And we'll draw that same angled line coming down and in behind the hand. Now I want to extend the baton underneath the hand. So we'll start with that inside line, going down, line up the outside, and we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add a thick stripe along the top. We step down, curve up and down, step down, and draw that again. From the bottom finger, we step down in behind the baton, curve the palm coming in, then up. Now I'm going to step back and draw the bottom of the arm coming in and up behind the body. Let's line that up on the right. Let's draw the edge of the glove. From the wrist, we're going to step in, curve this around, and then back out towards the bottom. And I'll move to the center of the body and add that crest. We're going to start underneath the chin with a straight line going across. On the left side, angle this down and out, come straight in. From the left side, bend this down and out toward the side, and then on the right, do the same. Now from the ends, we're going to bend this out and then up toward the left and right side. Go down towards the side of the body, bend this down and in towards the center point. And then from the top of the body, we're going to step down and close off the trim, bending this up and out. And we'll finish by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Nightwing. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.